Welcome back to AutoMind, where we explore the latest and most exciting machines shaping the future of mobility. Today, we're diving into something bold, powerful, and built to dominate. Meet the Leopard Titanium 7. This is not just another SUV. It's a statement on wheels, combining futuristic design with serious off-road capability and next-level technology. From the very first glance, the Leopard Titanium 7 grabs your attention with its aggressive stance and muscular body lines. The front fascia features a bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and a rugged bumper that instantly tells you this vehicle means business. It's designed to look tough because it is tough, built for both city roads and extreme terrains. The high ground clearance and wide wheel arches give it a commanding presence, making it stand out wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that perfectly balances luxury and technology. The interior is packed with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a modern layout that feels both comfortable and high-tech. A large digital display dominates the dashboard, providing everything from navigation to vehicle data at your fingertips. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and loaded with smart features, ensuring you stay connected on every journey. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Leopard Titanium 7 truly shines. Under the hood, it offers a powerful engine setup designed to handle both smooth highways and rough off-road trails. Whether you're climbing steep hills, driving through sand, or cruising in the city, this SUV delivers impressive performance with confidence. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces, while the intelligent all-wheel drive system provides maximum traction when you need it most. Safety is also a major highlight in the Leopard Titanium 7. It comes equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features not only protect you and your passengers, but also make driving easier and more enjoyable. The vehicle is designed to give you complete control while minimizing risks on the road. Another impressive aspect is its futuristic technology integration. From voice commands to smart driving modes, everything is designed to enhance your driving experience. You can switch between different terrain modes depending on where you're driving, making it extremely versatile. Whether it's mud, sand, snow, or asphalt, the Leopard Titanium 7 adapts effortlessly. In terms of practicality, this SUV offers plenty of space for passengers and cargo. It's perfect for family trips, long journeys, or even adventurous road trips with friends. The seats are comfortable, the cabin is quiet, and every detail is designed with the user in mind. Overall, the Leopard Titanium 7 is more than just a vehicle. It's a complete package of power, style, technology, and comfort. It's built for those who want to explore beyond limits without compromising on luxury. Thanks for watching AutoMind. And if you love cars that combine strength with innovation, make sure to stay tuned for more amazing content.